Today I'm going to be showing you all how to create a Windows 10 install flash drive. And you're going to need a few things for this tutorial, including a USB flash drive, and you're going to also need a PC that can run Windows 10. Once you meet those requirements, the first thing you're going to want to do is grab a flash drive and plug it into your PC. And once you plug that flash drive in, you might see a pop-up saying what to do, and you're going to want to click on Open with Folder. And then it should bring you to something like this. Once you're on this window here, you're going to want to go down to where you see your flash drive, which mine's called blank USB, and you're going to right click on it. Then you're going to go to Format, and you're going to want to make sure that you have FAT32 selected, and you want to make sure your allocation size is set to default. Then change the volume name to something like USB install, or something simple so that it's easy to find. And after it's done formatting, it should say Format Complete, and you click on OK. Now that our drive is formatted, it's time to install Windows 10. So what you're going to want to do is open up one of your browsers, and you're going to want to type in Windows 10 install media, and I will also have this link down below. Once you type that in though, you're going to click on the first thing that comes up, which should be Download Windows 10 Disk Image. Then scroll down and look for Create Windows 10 Installation Media and click on Download Tool Now. And save that to an easy place to access. I'm going to save it to my downloads. Once it's done downloading, open up your folders and go to that location. Then double click on the Media Creation Tool exe file. And it's going to ask for permission to run on this device. You're going to click yes. And here's where you'll install Windows 10 installation files on the flash drive. You'll need to accept the license here. And today we're going to be creating an installation media for USB. So click on that option, then click Next. And depending on what kind of PC you're installing this on, you're going to want to make sure that you have those settings selected. I'm going to leave these as default since I'm just doing a tutorial here, but if you're installing this on a 32-bit PC, make sure you select 32-bit. Once you do that, click on Next. Then select USB flash drive, and click Next again. And in here, you should now see your flash drive, which should be titled something like USB install or whatever. It'll be under removable drives. Once you see that, just click on Next again. And it's now going to go ahead and download the Windows 10 files, and then this will take a moment or two. And after about 10 minutes, your USB drive will be all ready to go. And from here, all you need to do is plug this into your new computer. Click on the setup button, which will probably be like F5, F2, F10, or F11 on startup. Then select your drive from the boot options, boot to the drive, then select your hard drive, and then install it. And then what you'll do is you'll pull the USB drive out once Windows is done installing on that PC. And then you'll just select the hard drive that it was installed to on your next boot. And if you guys would like help with doing that part, I can also make a video on that, but it's pretty self-explanatory once you have this all set up. So thank you all so much for watching, and leave any comments down below if you had any troubles. I hope to see you all again soon.